Happy Christmas Eve, everybody. This is Maureen from cross.stitch on Christmas Eve of this year. This is a small update from the last time on my Christmas fairy. There's been a lot done, but I've nearly finished it, so I'm going to show you what I've done so far. I've got to say about another couple of days work to do in it. I'll do some tomorrow, Christmas Day. See much I get done in the morning because I've got about in the morning. We'll see what happens. So last time you seen me, I think I was around about there doing still, and I've managed to get round here to do, and during the week I've done the dress. I was supposed to do the dress on Sunday, but I couldn't get it all done on Sunday, so I was doing bits for the dress this morning. So, and the night, people had my daughter in the last couple of days, so I've been trying to catch up with it, so it could be still a Christmas finish, but we'll wait and see. And I've did round a bit there, in the Christmas tree, and in there, so that's that. And if I get this complete, that'll be one of my what goes for this year's finish. So, and I managed to get that bit done in there. I just need to fill that bit in there, fill that bit in there, up here, pinks, the blues, they're just all blue and white, and the colours what I used today was 3856, 3865, 3770, and 800 and 799. So 799 is the wee dots, and the 3770 is the grey bits, and the blue bits, triangles here, or the half triangles, or the half squares that are there. So just to update to about this, it could be a Christmas finish, or it could be finished. If I don't get it finished for this Christmas, I'll be doing it till it is finished, because it's still in my whip go, so we'll see what happens. Talking about finishes, this is not to do with cross stitch, but it's to do with my jigsaw, so hold on to me for the junk. There is my jigsaw finish. I done the rest of that yesterday and the day. So hold on, move that at the road. Oh, you put them behind. There's my jigsaw. That's the Advent jigsaw finish. Sorry about that, people. That's my Advent jigsaw finish. So I'll put it up. There we go. Trying to get it. So once I'm hoping to get this finished between the day, between the morning, what about, oh, the morning of January, the morning or the next couple of weeks is in Whitgo. So see what happens and I'll let you know. It's just a wee update because the long time I tell you to watch this base, which I still keep watching it, but it could happen. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. So there's been a lot of progress on it. There we go. And then I really want this finished because it's been up for the last 3 years. And I really want it finished. Put by. I might just wash it for next year, so. Just about nearly finished. How do that make? Just trying to get a thumbnail for it. Watch. So I'm not working on it tonight. Actually done my son with it. Done a big lot in it today and that's it. So I hope you have a nice Christmas and I'll see you after Boxing Day or once I recover it. So have a nice Christmas and I'll speak to you later. Hope you enjoy this wee video and the progress report. So bye bye.